You probably recognize me. I know Jeremiah's in my eco club, and some other people might be too. Hi. So we're gonna do a number talks today. So you probably have done them with Miss Tolman already, but I'm just gonna remind you of some of the things that we do. So I'm gonna put a number on the board. I'm gonna put a number question on the board, and once you figure out the answer and a strategy for that answer, you're gonna put, what was it? What's your name? Ethan already knows it. You're going to put your thumb up right on your chest like this. And then some other people, some of the other teachers today were saying, but if you have two strategies, you can put your thumb and your finger up to say, oh, well, I have two strategies. If you have three strategies, you can put up three. So, also, if you're kind of unsure, you can put your thumb kind of in the middle, and then I don't have to pick you if you're still trying to work out the question. If you really just have no idea, you can put your thumb down. Okay? So the question today is going to be this one. 19 plus 14. Remember this too, the me too. Once we've got some answers. All right, guys, so what are some of the answers you came up with? You're Jessica's brother, right?
Yeah.
What was your answer?
So you do 1 plus...
I'm just going to get answers for now, and then I'll get your strategy afterwards. Okay, what's your answer?
33.
33. Okay. If you also got 33 instead of talking, you can just go. Any other answers? Yeah?
23.
23. Kyle's sister?
50 something.
50
something.
Something? Okay, I'll put that little dash as a maybe something. Yeah?
Maybe
a what?
A question.
A question mark? Okay. Any other answers? We're good? Yes, honey?
I'm good with 34.
You're good with 33.
I'm good with 34.
Okay, me too. That's what we do for me too, right? So, if I can get some people tell me how they came up with 33 or 23 or 50 something, that would be lovely. What's your name?
Ben.
Ben? Okay, so what did you do, Ben?
What I did is I put the question and then I added the ones and then the tens to sideways.
Okay, so can you tell me what that would look like?
Like, if you put like them sideways, they stay like that, but then you just like draw lines and then you add them together.
So they're gonna stay like this?
Yeah, and then you draw lines to the tens and the ones.
So draw lines like that?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's that gonna, what am I gonna do above the line or below it?
You answer the question, which is 20.
Okay, so 10 and 10 is 20. All right, and then what do you do next?
You add the 9 and the 4.
Mm-hmm.
And that equals 13, so it's just 20 plus 13, and then it equals 32.
Equals 33. Good one. Thank you. Yeah. What's your name again?
Jacob.
Jacob?
I did like tens and the cubes and the sticks.
Okay, so you
So
did.
I did 10, 2 tens.
Okay.
And I did 9 and 4 tiny blocks.
Okay.
I put all the blocks together.
Like that?
Yeah. And it made 13. You count them all and it makes 13. And
and then I added the tens to the 110, and then it made 30. I added the 3, and then it made 33.
So this equaled 13. This
Yeah.
equaled
20.
20. And then you added them together?
Yep.
And you did this all in your head, Jacob?
Yep.
Okay. Good. To get 33. Perfect. Anyone think of anything different? Yes, my friend here. What's your name?
Lily.
Lily? I should know that.
So what I did 10 plus 10
Mm-hmm.
equal 20. And then I did 9 plus 4, which equaled 13.
Okay.
And then I just added them both up.
So you added 20 and 13, or you added,
I added 20 and 13.
okay. And you got,
33.
okay. Great. Perfect. Any other strategies? Holy cannoli, you have tons of strategies, Miss Tolman. Yes.
My name is
Romy? Romy? Okay.
Arla.
Perfect.
And my strategy was I did higher things than this, but this was sort of a little bit easier for me.
Okay.
So what I know is if you add 1 to a 9 and anything, it'll get 1 less that it's like you adding a 10 but it's minus 1.
Okay, so 9 plus 1 equals 10.
And plus
But if you
3,
do 10 minus 1, it's going to equal 9? That's what you said? Okay.
wait, and then I added the 3 to it. I added this 3
Where did you get the 3?
because I added 1 from the 14 to the 9.
Okay.
That's where I got it.
So this 1 comes from your
4.
4. Okay, and then you need to add another 3 in your ones column?
13.
Okay.
And I know 10 plus 10 is equal 20. So that's how I got it. And so if people don't do the things, they always end up a number less. That's,
Like if they don't remember to add the 1 back?
yeah.
Okay, they end up with the 1 number less, so they would end up with 32?
No, they would end up with 23 and 10 less.
Okay.
So that's how I got 33.
So how did you get 33? I have a 13 and a 20 here.
I added them together and
Okay. 13 plus 20 equals 33? Okay. Any other strategies? What's your name?
Christian.
Christian with a C?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead, hon.
So it was 19 plus 14. I didn't know that yet, but I know 20 plus 12 is 33. So if I just memorize 20 plus 12,
Is 20 plus 12 is?
33.
Okay.
So I thought that 19 plus 14 would be 33, and I added 18 plus 14, and it actually equaled 33.
Okay. Can you explain that to me again so that I can write it down? Oh, you were just going a little bit too fast for my brain.
So I did 20 plus 12
Yeah, which equaled,
plus 33.
okay, are you sure that it equaled 33? Okay.
Oh,
If-
never mind, that equaled 32.
You got it, okay.
So then I would just add another 1 to 32 plus 1 in the ones column would be 33. So I would think just 33 is the answer.
Okay, so what you did was you took 1 from 14 and moved it over to this number?
Yep.
Okay, so you did that right here, and then we had to add that 1 back in, kind of like how Romy did it. Okay, anyone else? Yes, honey, what's your name?
Amelia.
Amelia with an A?
Yeah. Like He turned it like to go up and down, and I put the 14 on the top and then 19 on the bottom.
Okay.
And then 9 plus 4 equals 13. So I put the 3 below the 9, and I carried the 1 up to the other one.
Okay.
And then I added the 3 ones together to equal 33.
So just like that. Perfect. Any other strategies? Yes, honey.
I counted 14. I started from 19. I counted 14 more onto my fingers, and then I ended up
Okay.
with 30.
How did you count 14 on your fingers? I only have 10.
I did 9.
What's your name first?
Sebastian.
Sebastian. So you started at 19.
And so then I counted 10.
Mm-hmm.
And then I ended up with 29.
Okay.
And then I added 4 more with which then I ended up with 33.
Okay. I'm just going to show you here on a number line so that I don't have to draw all those fingers. So here you did plus 10 and then plus 4. So 19 plus 10 equals 29, plus 4 equals 33. Perfect. Good. Yes, honey?
My name's Seth.
Seth?
Yeah.
Sebastian, right? Okay, go ahead, Seth.
So I put
Okay. That's okay. Here's the question again, just to refresh your memory.
Oh yeah. So I put. Okay, I stopped taking numbers.
Do you want me to skip you for now? And if you remember, you can put your hand back up. Is that okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Amelia, do you have another one?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
So I looked at the 100 chart, and
Yeah.
I looked at 19, and I just counted like 14 more to get to I went down 1,
Mm-hmm.
and then I went like sideways 3 times.
So 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. And
Okay. Did you go 4 times
Oh
or
yeah,
3
I went
times?
4.
4 times. Okay. So it's kind of like a number line, but you use the hundreds chart visually.
Oh.
Okay. I'm just gonna write hundreds chart since we just saw it. You remember, Seth? Go ahead, hon.
So I did the 2 10s from 14 and 19.
Yeah.
And added them up to 20.
Yeah.
Then I took 4 and 9, which equals 13. Then I did 13 plus 20, and that equaled 33. That's how I got 33.
Oh, perfect. So you kind of worked how Lily worked, right? Is that perfect? Good job. Anything else, Jacob?
No.
No, you're good? All right.
Wait.
Go ahead.
Also, sometimes you can use like dots, and then you can use for hundreds, you
Mm-hmm.
draw a square.
Yeah.
For tens, you just draw a line, and then
Oh,
for ones, you just draw a dot.
so here to add on to yours, instead of drawing little mini squares
Yeah.
or mini rectangles, you can just do lines and dots?
Yep.
Good idea. Yeah, hun?
My name's McKenna.
Yeah.
And what I did is I know 19 plus 12 equals 32, so then I added one more. That equals 22.
Okay. McKenna, so you did 19 plus 12
Yeah.
equals
32.
32.
And I added one more, and that equals 23. That's what someone did up there too.
Mm-hmm. That's what Christian did. But Christian had a 20 plus 12 equals 32. Do you know what you could do to maybe change this around? Does anyone else know maybe what they could do to change this around?
12 plus 19
12 plus 19.
equals
Yes, honey? How could we change this around to maybe look a little bit more like Christian's? Or your own idea.